Hey guys, Miss San Juan. It is day 2 of summer school. We are still doing our pre-tests so that we can get started Thursday with our lessons. So today the focus is on math. I'm going to show you, here's your Launchpad. A lot of you need to get comfortable that logging onto this and seeing all the apps. We should know that right now Canvas is how we get on to see all our stuff that we need to do for the day. But I may also assign you stuff on some of these different apps like BrainPop Junior or iReady, or even what I'm going to show you today, Study Island. So whenever you see assignments that say apps that need you to go back into Launchpad, go right ahead. Your Canvas will still be open, like mine is open right here. But you want to go back to your dashboard or your home where your apps are, and today you're going to be doing the pre-test for math on Study Island. So you're going to click here. It's going to open up. I'm under one of our friends' page just so you can see how it looks. Let me move myself over here. Okay. Right there. Okay. So this is what you see. It's your profile for Study Island. There's suggested topics. You can do stuff, but anything that I assign to you will be here on the active assignments page. And you can see that there's 2 things I did assign. One is the math pretest and one is the reading pretest. I know a lot of you completed the little reading excerpt we did yesterday. Today I want the focus to be on math, so you will do the math pretest first to take your time, and then if you finish, and then go ahead and do the reading pretest, because this one's a little more straightforward than yesterday's reading. If you can finish both by today, that'd be even great. That'll give me a nice starting point for everyone on where everyone's at with reading and math, and then we'll definitely get started by Thursday with the lessons. So that's how you see it. You're just going to click start button for both, one at a time, and then get started doing the assessments. And after that, if it's before 12, these 2 might take you the whole morning. But if it is before 12, then you can go ahead and jump on iReady and do a few minutes and just get ready for Thursday and our start on our first lessons of reading and math. But this is the most important thing to do today, okay? Any questions? I will be in the conference room from 9 to 12 if you need any help or you have a question, okay? See you guys soon.